Today I'll be showing you guys how to play the game Papa's Burgeria. So first you got to begin by taking the order of your first customer. And as it takes the order, it'll show you exactly what they're ordering on the right side of the screen. And then directly after the ordering, you want to go to the grill station to start grilling your burger. And a little trick to grilling the perfect burger is you can hover your mouse over the burger and it'll show you exactly how long it's cooked on each side. So you want it cooked as evenly as possible. So this one, once it gets about to this halfway mark here, I can click it to flip it, and then it'll start cooking on the other side as well. And you want as evenly cooked burger as possible, because then you get the more points at the end of the game. So when it's done, you can drag it to the right over here and start building your burger. So they want a bottom bun, then they want the burger, they want a slice of cheese, a piece of lettuce, and then they want a squirt of mustard, and then you can slap on the top bun, drag the order screen to the ticket place, and then they will rate your burger. So that was a pretty good rating, and then they can get tips, and as you get more tips in the game, you can start to advance. Thank you!